lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chandrika and yay, we hit 50,000 subscribers. Thanks a lot. Welcome to my new subscribers. I love you guys so much. Today we are going to learn everything about mascara, what mascara is, do's and don'ts, and I'm also going to show you different types of mascara brushes. What do they do, what their function is. So let's get into the video. If you wonder what those different shapes are, then I'm here to tell you. So first off, we will go with this wand. This is called a curved wand. If you don't have an eyelash curler, then this is the right wand for you. It is going to curl your lashes. Next, we have this thin combed wand. So each comb gets into your eyelash and it will coat each and every eyelash of yours. If you see this wand, it's in a cone shape. This is going to increase the length of your outer eyelash, giving it a cat eye look. And then we have this fluffy wand, which is going to thicken your eyelashes. So people who have very less eyelashes, this wand is apt for you. Last, we have this oversized wand, which is going to give you a maximum volume. And in today's video, I am going to use this wand. Knowing the expiration date of every cosmetic is very crucial because it's a matter of your skin's health. So you can check out on the package. If not on the package, then the expiration date will be mentioned on the mascara tube itself. So here, as you can see, it is showing 6 months. So from the date I purchased, 6 months, after 6 months I'm going to throw this away. Please have a look at that all the time. First, I'm going to use an eyelash curler. This eyelash curler, you can get it in Amazon for 150 bucks. So curling your lashes is always a good idea, but you have to do this before applying mascara. So once you curl, it is going to give a added volume and it is going to open up your eye also. If you can see the difference. I've seen many people do this. Do not push your mascara wand like this into the tube. You are sending more air and your mascara will dry up. Rather than that, please do this. Gently pick up the product like this, like how I'm showing. Also, when you're putting on mascara, kindly avoid standing under fan or AC, because once you apply it on the lashes, on the first coat itself, it is going to dry up your lashes, and when you apply a second coat, it is going to look lumpy. So we don't want that. Never put your wand straight up to the lashes because it is going to pick up all the product and your lashes are going to look very clumpy. Instead of that, run your mascara wand from the roots of your lashes. By doing so, it will evenly distribute the product and you will achieve volume. I'm going to wait for 2 seconds and then again apply a second coat, again from the roots of my lashes. If you see, after applying mascara, I've curled my lashes, which is not a good idea as it's going to look very clumpy. This step is totally optional. So I'm going to take loose powder. The reason we take loose powder is it is finely milled. So when you put it onto your lashes and apply mascara, it is going to give you a healthy volume. If you put something other than a finely milled powder, then again it's going to turn clumpy. So I'm going to use this small fluffy brush and then dip it into the finely milled loose powder, and I will start applying it onto my lashes slowly. I'm going to take a small break for 2-3 seconds and then apply again. Once I evenly distribute the loose powder, I am going to apply another coat of mascara. You can see the volume of my eyelashes has increased and it is not at all looking clumpy. I've got this beautiful one from Amazon. It's a lash separator. It's a good idea to have it in your vanity. I think it's around 200 rupees or something. Now you see how it's separating my lashes. By this way, there won't be any sort of clumpiness. Now I'm going to take a card, place it under my lower lash line so that when I apply the mascara, it won't stick onto my lower lid skin. Another example on why you shouldn't use the tip of your wand. Look how clumpy it is looking. So that's it guys, I hope I've taught you something in this, and thanks a lot for your support all the time, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Like that you'll get to know whenever I upload any of my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you, stay safe.